So imagine this. You're in a cafe in Rome. Someone speaks to you in Italian. And boom, your glasses whisper the translation right into your ear. No awkward app fumbling, just instant understanding.
That's wild. It's like having a personal interpreter built into your face. I tried the Meta Ray-Ban glasses last month, and the real-time translation? Surprisingly accurate.
And practical, right? It's not just a gimmick. For travelers, it's a game changer. You get directions, read signs, even order food without speaking the language.
Yeah, but translation is just the start. I'm more blown away by the memory extension. I literally asked my glasses to remember where I parked, and later, it walked me right back.
It's like having an external brain, one that never forgets. Honestly, the implications for people with memory issues are huge.
Totally. And let's talk shopping. I was in a grocery store, looked at a bunch of vegetables, and the glasses suggested recipes. I didn't even ask.
Wait, so it's like a kitchen assistant that lives on your face?
Exactly. No need to Google. Just look and ask. And it even checks reviews and prices. Beats pulling out your phone with sticky fingers.
I think the object recognition feature is underrated. I pointed at a statue, and it gave me a whole history lesson. Felt like I had a tour guide embedded in my head.
That's the magic of Meta's Llama 3.2 AI. And with the 2025 update, the descriptions are even more detailed. It's a godsend for visually impaired users, too.
Speaking of accessibility, I saw a YouTube video where a blind creator used the glasses to navigate a subway system completely independently. That's next level empowerment.
And that call a volunteer feature? Genius. You get live help through the glasses camera. No more guessing or waiting for someone to notice you need assistance.
But with all this power, there's always the privacy elephant in the room. Meta's storing voice interactions for a whole year now?
Yup, and that has privacy advocates sounding the alarm. Even with the tiny LED indicator, people are nervous about being recorded.
And there's that facial recognition study out of Harvard. Unofficial, but it shows the tech could be used to identify people, even if Meta says they won't.
That's the thing. The tech's amazing, but who watches the watchers, right?
Exactly. But let's shift gears for a sec. Celebrity voices. I've got my assistant sounding like Kristen Bell. It's weirdly comforting.
Mine's John Cena. Hearing "you can't see me" as a joke while navigating traffic made my day.
It's that human touch. Plus, the customization in the MetaView app. Control how much detail you get, the speed, even the tone.
Makes it feel like your assistant, not just some generic AI.
And for the content creators out there, live streaming from your glasses? Come on, that's some James Bond meets TikTok energy.
Yeah, parents capturing their kids' first steps, cyclists filming their ride, all without stopping or holding a phone. Super smart.
But are we replacing our regular sunglasses now? 4 hours of battery sounds? Okay-ish.
True, but the charging case gives you 36 hours, which helps. And style-wise, these actually look cool. Ray-Ban nailed the aesthetics.
Way better than Google Glass ever did. But I wonder, when will we get built-in displays that don't look dorky?
Meta's working on that with Hypernova. Tiny display in the lens, like having a mini Quest on your face. No big headset.
And gesture controls. That Series wristband reads your muscle signals. You can pinch the air to take a photo. Insane.
It's like tech is literally responding to your thoughts. We're edging into sci-fi territory, but in a wearable way.
So here's the big question. What happens when this becomes normal? Everyone walking around with glasses that see, hear, speak?
Our norms will shift. Just like smartphones changed eye contact and conversation habits, AI glasses will change how we connect and interact.
Maybe the real challenge isn't the tech. It's us adapting to it. Learning new etiquette, setting boundaries, staying human.
Couldn't have said it better. So, would you wear AI glasses every day?
Honestly, I already do. The future's not coming. It's literally sitting on my nose.